Understanding Forex trading. Forex trading is one of the many forms of trading that you can do as an investor. Forex is not for everyone. It is learnable and fully understandable by anyone, though. After educating yourself about Forex, you can then make a better decision about whether or not this is the type of business you should be interested in. Many people find that Forex is right for them, but it really depends on the amount of risk you are willing to take and the amount of research and education you are willing to do. The Forex marketplace is a large one. People around the world participate in it. Unlike many other types of markets, the risk levels involved in Forex are easily overcome by the amount of money that can be made in this marketplace in a single given day. However, it is very important for you to understand the market well before you jump into it. Otherwise, you could lose a great deal of money and your time in the process. Learning about Forex is the first place to start, long before you start putting money into the market.